Dense fog, misty conditions all across the Charlotte metro area, but we've got some strong storms pushing up towards the mountains, and it is pouring in places like Boone, and that's what's to come here in the Charlotte metro over the next hour and a half. And I want to take a live look outside. This is King Street, courtesy of Resort Camps, and you can see how much rain is currently falling out there. Not a single soul out there. It is dark and early, but if you are venturing out, definitely want to exercise some caution as the winds are kicking up as well. Strong storms are expected from now all the way through about 9-10 o'clock. Heavy rain, gusty winds will accompany them, so make sure to stay weather aware. And of course, we will keep you updated on any watches or warnings across the Charlotte metro area. Doppler radar showing some strong storms again pushing through the mountains, Jefferson, Boone, all the way over towards Avery County, pushing towards Caldwell and Burke as well. You'll notice the yellows and oranges, reds. That does indicate some heavy rainfall with this system. Off to the south again, I was tracking this severe thunderstorm warning that has now passed through Greenville and is now pushing towards Spartanburg, and this has those 60-mile-per-hour winds, and it's just on the borderline of Chester County. So I put a tracker on this. If this keeps the same speed and intensity, you can expect places like York to see this push through close to around 7:02, Chester 7:12, Rock Hill 7:20, and Fort Mill around 7:24. Zooming out, big picture, we did have a wedge across the area, so you'll notice a lot of places that have that dense fog advisory this morning. The warm front is trying to erode that as we speak, so temperatures have actually been warming up overnight. And you'll notice 61 in Monroe, 61 in Lancaster, 63 in Chesterfield County, as well as Rockingham. So that cold or that warm air is trying to lift and erode that cold air damming as we speak. So that's going to be the areas that have the best chance to see some strong to severe storms. That being said, though, it's going to be windy for everyone. And again, strong to damaging winds are going to be the greatest concern. Regardless of severe weather, though, it's going to be windy for everyone as that line of storms makes its way through. I think gusts anywhere upwards of 45 miles per hour can be expected, and it's going to be windy all day as that cold front makes its way through. So with heavy rainfall, saturated soils, and these strong wind gusts, we have that threat for down trees and down power lines, which is why we want you to stay weather alert. It's not going to be wet all day today. In fact, rain chances will taper off pretty quickly as this system leaves us. I think by the afternoon we'll be much drier. I think close to around 3-4 o'clock, sunshine will start to break out as well. High temps topping off in the middle 60s. So futurecast again showing this big line of thunderstorms coming through close to around 7-8 o'clock, eventually exiting off, I think, close to lunchtime. Few leftover showers certainly possible, and some mountain snow on the back end of the system with light accumulation expected. Good news for your President's Day. If you are off, we'll have sunshine. Temperature is going to be cool, upper 40s, close to 50 degrees. We'll continue the pleasant, comfortable conditions into your Tuesday with big changes on the way for Wednesday. Not only a big drop in temperatures, highs close to the upper 30s, near 40 degrees, but there's going to be a chance of a wintry mix here in the metro area. That snow rain line is going to be dangerously close to the Charlotte metro area, so it's better when we have data within 72 hours to get a better picture of what this actually is going to look like. So stay tuned for that. Guy Roofing 7-day forecast. Again, we are weather alerts for today as strong storms continue to sweep across the area. It's going to be windy all day. Better conditions and much improving conditions for your Monday, I should say. Sunshine close to 50 degrees, and we'll be tracking some wintry weather come Wednesday and Thursday.